Hello everyone, so where to find sounds on TikTok? So basically when you want to create a new video, so here you will see sounds in the very top. So just go there and here you have a lot of like playlists. So you have recommended, you have favorites. Basically you can favorite and bookmark. So for example you have recommended and then you can just click all and you will have all playlists. So you'll have top 40 in your location, emotional songs, slow songs, pop hits, all time 100 TikTok viral emotional songs, all that stuff. And you can also search. And of course, the song depends on the clip you chosen. So if I chosen like 15 seconds, if I choose 60 seconds, I will have some sounds which are a bit longer, I guess. No, maybe not, but yeah, okay. So here's, for example, 1 minute. So this is basically that's the way it works. And for example, I can just favorite, and then I have it here. Uh, yeah, so then I can just tap on it and it will be added to my TikTok video.